Amazon has dropped a bombshell in the world of distraction-free gadgets, and it's called the Kindle Scribe Colorsoft. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech updates. In a market obsessed with digital calm, Amazon has fired back hard with a bigger screen, faster performance, smarter software, and for the first time on a Scribe, full color. This is Amazon's most aggressive play yet to dominate the e-ink writing tablet area, and it shows. The Colorsoft came with two other new Scribes, but it's the star of the lineup. At $630, it's pricier than others, but it packs upgrades like an 11-inch display, a new quad-core chip, improved front lights, and Amazon's new oxide screen tech. The colors are pop, text looks right, and in dim rooms, it auto-adjusts light. If we compare it side by side with the older Scribe, the difference is night and day. And don't get us started on the writing experience. Amazon's premium pen has been redesigned with a fuller, more natural feel, while latency has dropped to as low as 12 to 14 milliseconds, making it smoother and faster than before. It finally feels like ink gliding across paper. The magnet to hold the pen is made stronger, though Amazon still refuses to give users an actual pen slot. Amazon also added AI-powered notebook search, which can scan your handwritten notes and answer questions about them. It's clever when it works, chaotic when it doesn't, detecting names, tasks, and lists with mixed accuracy. A redesigned home screen and quick note feature help the Scribe feel more like a true digital notebook. Compared to rivals like the remarkable Paper Pro, the Colorsoft wins at color, screen quality, and performance, while Remarkable still dominates in software flexibility. But if you want the best color e-ink writing tablet money can buy, Amazon's new Scribe takes the crown. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.